All right, so this is our last one for this article. So it says, depending on the item, how old it is, and how sought after it is, you may have to adjust your search a little bit. So let's talk about sought after. Sought after just talks about how in demand it is. It talks about how much people want it, how much people are looking for it. So if it's like the latest iPhone that just came out, usually those are pretty sought after. Usually people really, really, really want them, and a lot of people are trying to buy one. So if it's something that's really sought after, you might have to pay a little more money. If it's something that's not really sought after that much, you might be able to get a better deal. You might be able to score a good deal. So it just kind of depends. So when we talk about something being sought after, we're just saying a lot of people are looking for it. A lot of people are interested. A lot of people want it. It can be technology. It can be anything. It can be a person. A person can be sought after. A lot of people want to date her. So she's really sought after, which would be a weird way to describe yourself, but people absolutely describe other people in that way all the time. It's pretty common. But yeah, so something can be sought after, or it can be not sought after. It can be highly sought after, or it can be this was sought after, but people don't really care about it anymore. All right, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming out. Bye!